Remember that video when you were like, ah, ah. This is real. So this is the same thing but real. Look at your toe. I'm literally filming my toe right now. Wait. 3, 2, 1. Amnuna was late. Really late. Glide cam.
Oh, there they are.
Yo! I'm spinning and I'm filming Ariel. He's gonna do his wall flip, side, all this other down. Gotta go. Palm spin to a back handspring. All the girls things that rhyme with spring, thing, ping. What am I saying this thing? I don't even know how it goes when I say ting, ping, wing, ching, cling. You got this? Fail time. And that concludes fail time with some Nuna. This is Usher in every single video. Put his ads on. And it falls off! And now oh! Hey dude, I gotta try something, okay? It's probably gonna be a fail. That was actually really cool. That's how Usher looks like. What? Fail time with Usher harp playing. Oh wait, no, I got this. Wait, what the fuck are you doing? Let's do fail number 2. Oh shit! Fail time with Usher harp playing. I'm gonna make an extra video. Oh my god! I totally called it. I'm gonna make an extra failed and clip video with this. Just because of that. That was so imperfect. Fail time. This is the end of fail time with Usher harp playing. Fail time with Hamnuna. No, I knew I was gonna fail though. Oh, I did it. He didn't fail. This sucks. No, fail time with Hamnuna. Oh shit. That's a really good fail. He faked that fail. It sucked even more. Okay, Usher, what happened there? I thought I could do it. But you just rotated just a little bit. A little bit. So yeah, I climbed up on the wall and then I tried to slide flip up, but I only rotated a little bit. Just a little bit, man. Film this, okay? Hey everyone, it's Amnuna the Builder! Amnuna the Builder! Yes, he can! Amnuna the Builder! He can fix it! Oh, no. Amnuna the Builder! Amnuna's trying to be cool. Amnuna's trying to be cool. Oh my god, it's a gangster! Amnuna's not having Nathan's not having any of this shit. Ariel, have you seen this lump? Ariel. Oh fuck! Ariel, have you seen this lump? See that lump? Extras with Ariel Edwards and Usher Hutch. Extra video. And Hamnuna. And now Alda. Extras with Ariel Edwards. Jesse Cornmeal. Let's get out of here before the crunch.
Fucking pizza bits.
Yes, pizza bits. All of you pizza bits, let's get out of here. It's official. We are all pizza bits. Ninja attack! Oh my god! Oh my god! How are you feeling about this? Oh my god! It's getting serious! Oh no! He fell! He got up! Yo, let's get out of here. Sorry.
The GoPro punched me. Fight the GoPro.
Fight the GoPro. Round 1. Fight. 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 Loser. Aaron Singer. Fight the GoPro, round 1. Fight! 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 Fight!
The GoPro!
Fight! 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 Loser! Aaron. Extras. Sorry, outdoors. Gotta get my socks. Gotta get my socks. I found a sock. That was a quest of finding my socks. Extras with Sorry Outdoors. Finding my other shoe. I found a shoe. Found another shoe.
Your other shoe's over here.
Give it a
No, we'll pay you. I'm not gonna pay you.
Extras with Sorry Outdoors. Extras with Sorry Outdoors. Aaron, you're being annoying.
Why did you do
Oh, dude, look at this. Our extras with Sorry Outdoors. Extras. Shut up! Extras with Sorry Outdoors. Extras with Sorry Outdoors. Well, these guys came in and doing whatever this is.
1, 2, 3. I got this.
1, 2, 3.
Attack! Attack!
Put your feet in.
Jump! Jump! Jump!
Put your feet in.
Jump! Jump!
2.
1, jump!
1, 2. Excellent.
Jump!
1, 2, 3.
Jump!
Left. 1, 2, 3.
Jump!
1, 2, 3. Left.
1, 2, 3. Left.
Jump!
Right. 1, 2, 3. Left. 1, 2, 3. Left.
Extra. Sorry, I now feel bad for Aaron for throwing a shoe at him, so he's gonna throw a shoe at me. Go for it. Throw a shoe at me. Okay. Extras with Sorry Outdoors. Someone call me. Fuck. Now someone knows his number.
Wait.
Extras with Sorry Outdoors. Hamnuna, it's your mom.
Wait.
Talk to your mom.
Does Jed have his phone again?
Get him.
I think Jed has his phone though.
Oh, yeah.
Where's your phone?
What did you do?
Did you give your phone to Jed again?
Okay, Ma.
He gave his phone to Jed again.
Aaron, can I come to stay at you at Shabbos? Can I stay at your house for Shabbos? Can I?
Yes,
You know this? Our
What?
gonna die this Shabbos.
Oh,
Why?
why? You have a day of resting.
Yeah, no.
Wait, can you film this? Like for parking? Extra, Sorry Outdoors.
Aaron, I want you to ask your parents if they want me to come.
Extra.
Wait, it's Thursday today, right? So next time if you want to come,
I like Oreos and pussycats.
Why did you call me?
My grandma would go outside looking for a cat and she would go, here, pussy.
Ding ding ding! GoPro versus Usher. Round 2.
Pussy.
Wait. Someone's calling you again. No.
KO. We made a jam, and well, this guy named Anton, which is a beast by the way, said he's bringing a few friends over to join us. And then I looked on Facebook, and turns out this is it. Got you, man. Oh!
I need to move your phone close to it.
Just hold them both. Hold them both.
I saw Dom doing Del Webster, so that's why I seen him do one.
Ready, man? Nathan, did you tack on this and land there? Good. Do it again, man. Right here. You know, you can wait a few minutes and have everyone here.
no, let me do something like that.
You're doing it? Wait. I'm not sure if I got that.
Oh, man.
Ready, man. Redeeming for the competition. Again? Oh! Ooh, nice touch.
The power of the ends. Oh yeah, you totally got that. Okay.
That was really hot.
You gonna do it? You gonna do it now?
No.
Okay.
Okay, Aaron, just tell me when you feel ready. I'll tell you go. Come here. Ready, man?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Ready, man?
Yeah.
Boy, keep going. It's not that bad. Finalist, Aaron.
Yeah.
Go.
But
3, 2, 1.
How far can I be?
More far.
What do you think about that? Go proception. Wait, let me fill for your screen. Wait, give me.
Okay, here.
Wait, give me.
Alright.
I can see what I'm filming now.
1.
Those muscular muscles, all the muscles, flex. Muscular muscles, look at this. Don't you want this hunk guy? If you want, call 999parkourboyfriend.com. Call that number.com.
I'm ready. Tell me to go.
I will.
What?
I will. Go. Aaron, show us your Frasbies. Frasbies for life. Super sneeze. Look how sneezy this boy is. He's so thirsty. Boy, you're so thirsty. WWE. And he's slithering an RKO.
Let's go.
Go.
Let's go. Yes, come on.
I'll do it.
Let's go. Come on. Let's go.
Hey, do this.
Wait,
Oh my god.
I'm doing it now. Wait, can I borrow your
let
sweater?
me get a shot of you drinking it.
Yeah.
What's up? Flying Buddha in the house.
That's the precision.
Absolutely horrible.
The flip was good.
Yeah.
He's doing it. The ginger flip.
I think my phone just died.
What? Kick! Kick, boy, kick!
No.
Metà na mo to.
Yeah.
Ooh, that was a good one. That's it. Is that him?
No.
Here's the base shot. No, you gave up. Commit. God. Give me that.
I've had some people in my life who
פרקור. עוד פעם, יש לך את זה, קדימה.
זה היה מה ש... תראה את זה. רגע. זה כמו גובו. אתה מצלם אותי וגם צלם.
יש זה גם G4.
כן, יש את זה גם ב-G4? למה אתה...
זה גם גופרו. זה גופרו, זה לא גופרו, זה...
יש גופרו 4 בלק. יש לי גופרו 4 בלק.
גופרו.
מה זה פה? נעתי עם הפלאפון,
נעתי כמו מתלהב בכל האפרריות.
יאללה, אני רוצה קריין לראות, אלמו, קריין.
רוני, יש לך את זה!
קריין אני רוצה לראות, נעתי בלה. אבי, יאללה, אני בנחיתה רול, ישר רול יפה. טק רול. מה הקטע שלך עם רולים אתה היום?
אבי! זה בגלל שאתה לא יודע איך לעשות רול שאתה אומר את זה.
כן.
כי הוא עושה רול.
יפה, אלמו. מעולה.
הוא ניקו? וואי. Oh my god, dude! What? פליים בודה, אתה יכול לעוף כאן.
לא, הוא יש לו קפיצות, חבל על הזמן. רציתי להפליר.
אז הוא פליים בודה החדש. לא, הוא פיין נפליר. וואי, עדיין. אחי, מטורף בגובה שזה גם, שאתה חייב להיות כאן, ואז מגיע לך כמו לחזה, ואז זה הרוב.
קשה לי משם, זה גבוה יותר.
ניקו! היפס אפ! צריך להרים את החלק הזה כאן יותר. לא שנייה לשי לעשות את השוקו פלוקו. כשאתה פצוע מפרקור, תעשה ברייק דנס, זה יותר קל.
לא, זה עוזר, זה אחד השני, זה טוב.
כן, זה מתחבר ביחד. רגע, איך קוראים לך באמת? סרגי? אחי, שם לב ממש כאן. אחי, שם לב ממש כאן. שחק איתך, אחי. כל זה מקום הזה. כן. יש לך את זה, אחד.
בוא איתי, בוא!
אני בא איתך, אחי. כמעט שם! עוד 4 3 2 1 וואי, ביסט אחי, ביסט! אני חושב
התעייפתי.
אבל הצלחת, הגעת! כמה מדרגות זה? עשינו 5?
קשה.
וואי. רגע, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9, 10, 11, 12. בדיוק 20! בדיוק 20! וואי, ביי אחי. Stride it! Stride it! 1, 2, 3!
I can't do nothing.
Mustafa! Mustafa! היי מוסף, 1, 2, 3, סטרייק קודם. יאללה. נייס. Nailed it.
I'm young and probably when I'm older, I'm probably gonna be an old fart.
You're gonna be an old fart.
Yeah.
I never said I'm gonna be good when I'm old because
Ooh! Maze! You got that, Aaron. No, Aaron, you got that.
I need water.
Wow! Maar er zijn nog 6. Nice.
Yes, please.
Precies. Nope. 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 That's not. Aaron, one that you got for shawarma?
Yeah, we should go soon.
Let's do it.
Yeah.
Shawarma.
We're gonna go soon.
Bye.
We should meet them.
Well, that was fun, and now we're ending the day going to Moshiki. Well, Ariel started vlogging, so guys, enjoy them.
Enjoyed them.
he works really hard. He added
Say
for
goodbye.
6 hours.
No.
You actually edited for 6 hours? Oh my god.
Say hello to the AHA team. Wait.
Aha.
Wait. AHA.
Wait, go like this.
It's A.
Wait, like, go to the other side. Okay, now we can do it.
No, it's with Usher, it'll be
Ash.
It'll
be Ash.
We're the A team. He's just an H.
Oh, but he Usher, if it was like A, Usher, you, no, Usher, you, me, and then him, so it's like, aha. Should make a team like that.
The AHA team.
The aha. It sounds like something like arrogant or something.
No, we should be.
What are you doing?
I'm playing Pokemon Go, guys. It's not loading. The servers are crashing.
What do I do? The struggle's real.
Struggles.
Well, phone died.
Your phone just died?
Okay.
Is it okay?
Watch him rolling, watch him go. Watch him rolling down the street. He be rolling to the beat. He be rolling, he be rolling, he be
Oh my
rolling.
god, dude,
Rolling.
dude.
I'm gonna just run right in front of the camera. We're pointing the exact opposite way. Hello, Luna? No, I didn't think so.
It's so many people have the title.
Okay, guys, so today we're gonna rerun. You started.
You Piccoli made a rerun.
Boy is the one that made the rerun title. He's my boy. Oh, I'm his father. hey, son, what's going on? Hello. Hello.
So it's
me.
I'm his
I
dad.
was wondering if after all these years you want to meet your
Why
dad.
are you guys turning this into a music video?
I'm his
This
dad,
is a
but
Pokemon Go catching video. We're on the hunt for Mewtwo.
you too.
Yeah,
No,
we
it's
need,
Mewtwo.
we need some Mewtwo. It's like it's orange. It's shaped like a bottle and it's delicious.
Oh, I have a bottle. You know, I have a bottle in my bag. You know.
Yeah, he has a Mewtwo. You want to see a Mewtwo? It's super rare.
Like, oh my God.
This is so cringe.
This is not sponsored,
Mewtwo!
guys.
Oh my god! We got some Mewtwo. Oh! Oh my god!
Oh,
What?
How?
What?
it back in before it runs away. No, it's gonna run to the wild.
No, catch it, running. Catch it. Gotta catch him all. He took him in the Pokeball. He did his Pokeball. Doop, bloom, bloom. He got it. Everyone, that was the third chicken beauty. We caught some beauty.
How to catch
Guys, we're the
Pokemon
fastest
first.
in the world to catch a Mewtwo. Can't believe this, guys.
Yeah.
Are you making a random mention of yourself?
No, I'm just adding random pictures. I just always take videos, and then whichever one that I like, I just randomly make videos out of them because it works really well.
That's what I do.
I just get the best shots to put together. I don't plan out any video, except the crane one. I just film. I just film,
Dude,
and then put it together with whatever it is.
I was talking to this girl on Omegle,
Yeah?
and
Omegle, how dare you!
she was really cool. She was like, oh my god, we were talking and everything. And she's like, oh yeah, what's your hobbies? I do this, and I was like, oh yeah, I do flips. And I was like, oh yeah, I do flips. And I have this friend who made a crane video, and it's coming out soon. And she's like, oh yeah, I'm expecting it, so you better put it out. I'm serious.
You did it for my channel name?
I gave her
Hey.
you have a new subscriber, okay?
Guys, my story time. Story time from Nuna.
I just gotta do one thing. There's one shot. You know how to do color correction?
Oh yeah.
I need to make my one shot warmer because it was different time of day and it looks so bad.
I did a, my
Here, I'll show you my
video
color correction.
with the
Trampoline? Yeah.
triple
Oh yeah.
At the end, that was color correction.
Oh, you need to help me with that, dude. If I get that dimmer, I have the whole video already prepared.
Wait, I want to show you a color correction I did. It looks so smooth.
Okay.
I'm not think he knows how to edit, but he might. I don't know.
Luna is the beast of the beast.
Humna, 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 humna.
I want to see your dog say that.
He's in love with that doggy.
My dog is so small and so prejudiced. She's such a feminist.
I've seen some dogs
She's
be
feminist.
I've seen some dogs be
No, no,
friendly.
no, no.
I've seen some cats be loose.
No, my dog is a feminist. My dog is feminist.
Okay.
My dog's cat is a feminist.
She loves
watch,
my
watch.
sister, but she hates all the guys.
Oh shit. Great.
Basically, the cut there, you have to wait for it to start again, but the cut there was color correction.
You did
Okay.
color
Hell
correction?
shit.
Color correction with the British accent.
Okay, look,
Math reference.
Okay, that's just
Nobody got
else.
that reference.
Okay, now here, did you see that? Can't tell the difference, bro.
This is my reaction to Amuna's video.
Whoa.
This is how all reaction videos are.
Commented. Someone commented on
My
my.
reaction videos are so.
Oh my
freaking
god!
great. All they
He
do
commented
in the
her
video-
name.
all
That
they
was
do
great,
is-
guys. Tune in next time to
cool.
reacting to stuff with my face doing nothing, absolutely
Oh,
nothing
did you
all
see
the time.
this
is
video
like-
about that guy?
Whoa,
that
he's
literally
good.
sits his underwear?
Reacting to my camera. Reacting with me to my camera. Here, I have a special guest here, Alan Singer. Go check out his channel. He's an amazing kid. Now we're gonna film a video reacting to my camera. Go.
I like that.
Photobomb.
Wait.
Hey, dude, remember reaction? Like seriously.
Oh.
Sambore, say sambore, sambore.
Hello, what? SIS on the line. Okay. They told me.
Oh, iPhone.
They made me do this.
Did you see Jason Paul's newest video where he did double side flip?
Yeah,
see the video
they
though?
called me. What?
You see the video though?
So we're going to
What
Mashika to
Where he
get
did
some
a double side
falafel.
flip up that swing
I
thingy?
mean shawarma and basically.
No.
You just gotta go for it.
Oh yeah,
Uh,
So he did a double side flip. So I have one like that, like my old time, and I want to do a double side flip so badly.
you just gotta go for it.
Beep. Censored.
Everyone, important message. Don't let your memes be dreams. Sometimes you just gotta meme hard at it. Just meme it.
No.
Make your memes come true.
I tried, but it didn't work.
Yeah, he doesn't know how to meme.
Guys, you want to see my meme?
Hamnuna hashtag meme lord.
Here, look
is
at my
not
meme right
Hamnuna.
here. It's right here.
Yeah, you see, he doesn't know how to meme. Hashtag meme fail.
Welcome to the clip, like
Are you meme lord?
I'm a meme.
No,
meme
I'm
lord.
Pip Lord.
Check out my.
Are
my
you meme lord?
iFunny.
Viewer, are you meme lord?
My
fucking meme
iFunny is only like memes that I make. Okay, wait. Oh, I
Except
made
except you're
a,
published.
I made a few. Check them.
Check out his iFunny. Nice one,
check
father.
my
Wait, is it nice one,
I
father?
don't have
What?
iFunny on
What's
this
your
one.
name?
It's
I don't
Aaron.
have an iPhone.
check out Aaron's on iFunny.
Guys, check out my-
watch Meme Lord make his memes be dreams. Wait, no, it's dreams be
Where's your phone?
not let his meme be dreams. You
Get out of your phone.
It's out of battery.
Wait.
Oh, no. Get out of your phone.
Musically in real life, guys. Wait. Just film this.
Oh, he has memes.
Behind the scenes musically. Behind the scenes musically. Behind the scenes musically. Behind the scenes. I know how to do behind the scenes.
I don't have iPhone on. I just want to download it.
You're such a little pizza bit.
Wait.
Look at that pizza bit.
We have to delete this app.
Hey, Aaron, have Nuna pizza bit confirmed.
What is that? What app is that?
It's a battery saver, but it just adds all over your phone.
I'm Nuna for gullible. Hashtag I'm Nuna the pizza bit confirmed.
Hashtag Hamuna is a pizza bit pizza.
Oh my God! Look, there's a party going on.
Look at that party. Ain't nobody like that party. Wee!
Actually, like if someone actually falls for that, like, whoa, dude, I'm having a party with a cool ass coat, man.
With skylights, sketched by drones.
We have like a
Oh! Oh! Look at the disco lights.
Look at that goat.
Hey guys. Hey.
Where's Moshiki?
We're almost there.
Where's Moshiki?
Oh wait.
Wait!
Arms and drugs. Arms and drugs.
Wait!
Look,
What?
I don't have a goatee.
Aaron!
I don't have a goatee. It's not me.
It's your father!
No, he needs to be buffer.
Wait, Aaron, look at this.
I totally want that.
Hashtag go dad.
Go, Dad.
It's go dad!
Go, Dad.
Aaron, why are you on drugs again?
I'm not.
Falseception.
It's my life. No.
It's my life.
Whoa.
Whoa, man. What happened last night?
What if
Wow.
you send that to someone and you're like, oh, I got really drunk last night? And he's like, whoa, you're really drunk.
How can a camera be drunk? And they're like, oh shit.
It's like,
No. I have this app to make the camera drunk. Basically, pours alcohol full to the battery.
it's like,
Ready for Moshiki?
yes, where is it?
You get it close.
Moshiki. Is it Moshiko or
Moshiko.
Moshiko? Okay, I'm gonna call it
I'll hold
Moshiki.
it.
Hashtag not sponsored, but Moshiko is the best place in Israel for shawarma.
I can't do it.
Oh, see, there you go. I called this the roll where I almost broke my back yesterday.
Okay. This is my test subject here. We're doing a social experiment. Okay.
Wait, film this.
No.
Film him.
Okay. I claim that Moshiko is the best place ever for shawarma. Okay. Here is my test subject, Arn. Arn, have you ever ate Moshiko's?
Nope.
Me too. I
Have you
never
ate shawarma?
Yeah.
So he knows it's shawarma.
Yep.
Okay. Now, you have had multiple shawarma places, haven't you?
I have been to a lot of them,
Multiple.
yeah.
So now we're gonna go to Moshiko, and you'll decide is it the best or not.
What about me, guys?
Okay?
Me.
10 out
Let's
of 10.
go.
Like 10.
You just say is it the best out of all places or not to confirm my theory that Moshiko is best. Hashtag not sponsored.
Hashtag not sponsored.
Guys,
Have you seen the
I'll
title?
figure out Moshiko, but I'm not gonna do it.
This
And then
video
like
is sponsored by
Moshiko, hashtag not sponsored. I'm gonna put that like sponsored by Moshiko like
look,
hashtag
you're a
not sponsored.
professional vlogger now. Oh my God.
Hashtag
I can't
just-
believe Ariel is a vlogger now.
This is how it feels having a camera at you at all times. This is vlogging. Vlog.
Guys, step one for vlogging. Always have white teeth.
Be uncut. Whoops. Okay, it's like no, nothing happened. Never stopped. It's there. This is the Jerusalem nightlife.
Wait, how can we take the train if everybody's in the way?
The guys need to move. You see there?
What?
It's just very slow.
You guys have to walk. I'm sorry. So sorry. Wait, where's Moshiki?
Right up there.
Are we close?
Remember this place? You went up there to look for the Kikasion, right?
Yeah.
And we saw it.
Where is it?
Dude, we were never here.
This is Kikasion.
Where's the bank?
Right there. Back there. Oh, it's a different one.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, this is the other spot we were talking about. We were a little more. Remember we went here and there's a nice spot? We were here.
I think we passed it, bro.
No, it's up there. Remember here you said it's a nice spot down there? Up there is Kikaciona. Yeah.
That's where Rubik is?
That was where we saw Mushiki.
Well, guys, I feel really bad for you. Because you guys, you know, have to walk around a really slow train.
I'm literally down to one bar.
That is not
This is gonna be like 30 gigabytes of a video. Oh my god! Help! Jump on the train! Stop!
So cute, yes you are. I don't talk dogs. I talk so weird when I talk to dogs. I'm like, he's so cute.
It's not baby talk. I better do some bad from Chico. I'll stop and start there. And finally, after a 30-minute walk, we...
Finally got it.
Hello? Aaron! We're here! Wait. And after all this time, and all this wait, we have reached the promised land. Ready? Hallelujah!
Where are you
Hallelujah!
going?
Hallelujah! 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 Ready? Aaron, ready? Are you ready for this? Finally. Searching across the land, far and wide, to get to Bam Bam
No.
Ba-ba-dum.
Where are you going?
Ba-ba.
Stop leaving me.
Zamoshiko.
Where is it?
See that? Is that the answer?
Oh, wait, where is it?
This is it, right here.
Oh, I had falafel here.
Dude, right here.
I've had shawarma. I've had falafel.
Watch this.
I know this place.
We got here. Finally. Okay, what is wrong?
I can't eat it.
Eat it. This is how you catch a wild Aaron. Oh look, the wild Aaron! Oh my god! Better throw the shawarma at it. Yeah, you broke shawarma. I got a wild Aaron with shawarma. He's now mine. Go to the guy and taking out some pizza. Go to the guy and ask him if he wants some pizza. Go to the guy and ask him for some pizza.
פיתה falafel.
Shawarma, 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 shawarma.
Mana shawarma with pita, mana falafel with pita, mushroom story.
And if you guys want it, you got to finish this.
What time are you?
Keep on it, I'll finish it. Keep on it, I might finish it.
Where should I put it?
Hold it.
What?
Hold it.
What?
Hold it. We're in public.
It's like blown up. It's so filling. I have to take one more.
Inappropriate. Inappropriate.
We're gonna leave this here. We're gonna go get the
When you finally realize how good shawarma can be. I mean, you sure you don't want to finish it?
Yeah, it's too long.
Wait.
You want it? How can you fit that in?
I don't know.
Ah, okay, better give Mata.
I don't know. It's like to the end.
I got this.
Dani, אתה לא שם לי זה. רגע. זה לא שלך.
No. There's no meat in it. Just throw. If you don't want, just throw it. I thought there was actual meat.
French fry.
Aaron. I did it before.
I got a new follower.
No, your bag. Don't put your backpack. Oh, my backpack. Hey, sit on. But if you close your eyes,
You say close your eyes and then arm close your eyes. Okay, ready?
but if you close your eyes, doesn't hurt. Okay, Aaron, now that you have tasted multiple shawarmas, and now that you have had Moshiko shawarma, what do you think? Is it the best in Israel? Well, the best that you had.
We'll make a daring decision.
Is it the best place that you personally ever had?
Let me think of all the
On YouTube.
Think about when you start eating that shawarma.
Okay, bye guys.
Yeah.
Boy, I'm leaving.
The answer is consistent.
Who is the best
Moshiko
shawarma ever?
is the best place in Jerusalem and Tel Aviv and places we have tried ever.
I'd rate it about like
20 out of 10.
9 out of 10.
Why? Why? Too much?
It's just like, I don't know.
Why this harsh decision?
What?
Why this harsh decision of taking down a point?
What? I don't.
What dropped to the point? Tell them so they can make it better.
I give it a 10. I don't know why I gave it a 9.
He can't just said, please. And this is the end of the vlog. Random dog.